want to thank Teacher Joe Crossman. Teacher Joe Crossman teaches the foreign student at the university in Canada, named St. Mary's University. Teacher Joe Crossman helping me more from January 2021 to today. I have learned many things with Teacher Joe Crossman that I never heard or learn at school, that I never find in the textbook. Teacher Joe Crossman, you have been such a big help. I can thank you enough. Teacher Joe Crossman, you can search or type on Google Teacher Joe Crossman, go on YouTube or Instagram. Teacher Joe Crossman is my best teacher. I can help English learner who want to learn English and send you some message, some strategy, some technique on Instagram. Teacher Joe Crossman send me by the video and so on, many things, how to pronounce your English, how to practice, how to find a partner, how to read and so on, many things, grammar, pronunciation, etc. Many things in English, and you gotta learn many things with Teacher Joe Crossman and improve your English more that you have never find or do it at school.